Welcome to Realty ONE Group Sunshine. Come check us out. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Sorry to interrupt you. Quick tour. What you guys working on? Tell me. Deals? Got deals going on?
Absolutely. Working through some condo declarations.
Awesome. Great to see you. I wanted to give people a behind the scenes look at a day in the life at Realty ONE Group Sunshine. Appreciate you guys. Good morning.
Morning.
Sorry to interrupt you guys. Just trying to give some of our viewers a behind the scenes look at a day in the life of Realty ONE Group Sunshine. Troy, how are you today?
I'm good.
Sorry to interrupt you, brother.
Good morning. Welcome to Realty ONE Group Sunshine. This is our executive office suite area, 12th floor. As you can see from our video, I think we offer the nicest office, real estate office in the Tampa Bay area, second to none, overlooking beautiful Tampa Bay, overlooking the Rowdy Stadium, and also the Indy car race that happens in April. We have this, not only this, but we also offer a full suite of tools for you to grow your business, 100% commission, and a real family attitude here at Realty ONE Group Sunshine. Come in and join us under the sun, baby.
Easily, in my opinion, easily the best value in brokerages out there. Thanks very much. Appreciate you.
And the best decision you'll ever make.
Amen. All right, let's keep going. Oop.
Talk to you soon. Bye.
So they signed?
Yes,
All right.
they made it.
Congratulations, brother.